This is Kyle Nelson, financial planner at the Retirement Solution. And today I wanted to talk through a couple common traps that I see with Social Security. A large percentage of Americans use Social Security as their primary source of income. In 2021, the average Social Security benefit was only $1,500. And as healthcare costs continue to rise and as inflation continues to go up, as people are living longer than ever before, we're seeing that isn't sufficient enough for people to take care of their financial needs. Also, another thing that I see is really when you file for Social Security, you lose any kind of control of those funds as you've been paying into it over all these years. Social Security, basically, they change the rules whenever they want based off of eligibility, how much you can receive, and any other kind of potential future changes out there. That's why it's so important that you're saving for retirement and making sure that you have enough so that your Social Security is just a supplement to kind of help out and isn't your primary source of income.